Starting around the 25th of April 2023, Bitcoin money truly is exchanging at $117.05 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.78% and most certainly most recent 1 hour in an especially huge manner. BCH explicitly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $2,267,866,729 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $106,109,691, which essentially is genuinely critical. This truly makes Bitcoin money fundamentally positioning at 29 in the digital currency market, in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money in every practical sense be essentially worth in 2023 in a really significant manner? Is Bitcoin money a very wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which is genuinely huge? Will BCH cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? These in every way that really matters are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future in a kind of large manner. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. As per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the BCH cost truly is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $165.57. The normal least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to in every practical sense be $160.78 in an unobtrusive way. Besides, BCH can generally arrive at an especially greatest value level of $181.41, which by and large is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money value estimate April 2023. The Bitcoin money cost for April 2023 may essentially arrive at a truly least worth of $113.79, while the very greatest gauge cost in a real sense is around $129.36, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The really normal cost for BCH in a real sense is most certainly anticipated to basically reach $125.77 in April 2023, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin money value conjecture May 2023. The Bitcoin money value for May 2023 may arrive at a really least worth of $126.01, while the greatest gauge cost certainly is around $135.65, which sort of is genuinely critical. The exceptionally normal cost for BCH for the most part is fundamentally anticipated to reach $130.80 in May 2023, which explicitly is very critical. Bitcoin money value expectation June 2023. The cost of Bitcoin money basically is in every way that really matters anticipated to by and large reach at an essentially least worth of $128.62 in June 2023, or so they especially thought. The BCH cost could generally arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $142.19, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $133.42 all through 2023, a truly significant manner. Bitcoin money value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Bitcoin money cost basically is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a very the least cost of $130.10. Fundamentally, in spite of mainstream thinking, the BCH cost could generally arrive at a most extreme cost of $148.86, with the typical expected cost around $136.08 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money value estimate August 2023. The Bitcoin money cost for August 2023 may especially arrive at a genuinely least worth of $135.54, while the especially greatest gauge cost basically is around $154.31, which sort of shows that BCH generally has a very complete market cap of $2,267,866,729 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $106,109,691. The fundamentally normal cost for BCH generally is explicitly anticipated to basically reach $141.53 in August 2023. Kind of additional appearance how BCH essentially has a genuinely all-out market cap of $2,267,866,729 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $106,109,691 in an exceptionally large manner. Bitcoin money value expectation September 2023. The cost of Bitcoin money especially is fundamentally anticipated to truly reach at an exceptionally least worth of $141.20 in September 2023 in an especially significant way. The BCH cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $159.97 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $147.19 all through 2023, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitcoin money in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $147.09 and $167.33, while the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $153.08 in a quite huge manner. Bitcoin money value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money especially is supposed to especially be at around a very least of $153.21. Bitcoin money cost can explicitly arrive at a really limit of $173.45 with the kind of typical cost of $159.20 in USD in an unpretentious way. BCH value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money explicitly is estimated to in every way that really matters be at around a genuinely least worth of $160.78 in an unobtrusive manner. The Bitcoin money value worth can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $181.41 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $165.57 in USD. Most certainly further appearance how BCH value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money by and large is estimated to essentially be at around a base worth of $160.78 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money kind of past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense, has been truly diminished by 2.42% in its essentially current worth, or so they certainly thought. Assuming we certainly look at the essentially current market cap of the BCH with yesterday, you can generally see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, showing that Bitcoin money value expectation June 2023. The cost of Bitcoin money in every practical sense is especially anticipated to in a real sense reach at a sort of least worth of $128.62 in June 2023. Bitcoin money especially is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The BCH explicitly is down to nearly 11.86% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, or so they in a real sense thought. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for most certainly past really couple of days. The coin could have in every practical sense solid basics at the same time. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, or so they basically thought. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of BCH for the most part diminished by 7.342%, killing an incredible certainly normal amount of $9.28 from its by and large current worth in a really significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a genuinely decent truly purchase an open door for fast speculation, which by and large is very critical. The 90 days cost change generally is around 13.25%, and the cost course from a genuinely least